Hi, this is Aray Zad. I'm a lawyer in Dubai, and today's legal word of the day is plaintiff. The word plaintiff is defined as a party who initiates a lawsuit before the court against a defendant, claiming damages, court's determination of rights, or performance. In a simple word, if someone owes you money and he's not paying you back, and you can prove this, then you can file a case against him before the court and ask for court's involvement. In this scenario, you will be considered as a plaintiff and the other party will be considered as the defendant or respondent. The word plaintiff can also be interchangeably used with other words like claimant. I hope you found this video useful for your future communications with any lawyer in Dubai. If you have any legal requirements, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment below or drop me a direct message. Thank you for watching this.